Problem 6, 7, 8, maybe even 9. Roberto was interested in how fast his new pet hamster was growing. At age 3 weeks, the hamster weighed 47 grams. At age 7 weeks, the hamster weighed 60 grams. What is the average weight gain per week of the hamster between weeks 3 and 7? Well, to review a few important ideas, the domain of this function is time between 3 weeks and 7 weeks. The range is 47 grams to 60 grams. And if we're looking for average weight gain per week, we are looking for rate of change. 60, 47, 3 weeks, 7 weeks. What is my change in y? My change in y is 60 minus 47, and that is 13. My change in x is 4 weeks. So if we have 13 grams in 4 weeks, that is 13 divided by 4 is 3. 12 subtract 1, 3 1/4 grams per week. Problems 7, 8, and 9. For these, we must solve the inequality and graph the solution set on my number line. Well, first, we have 6x minus 7 less than or equal to 17. I'm going to add 7 to both sides of my equation. That's going to give me 6x is less than or equal to 24. I divide both sides by 6, and that leaves me with x less than or equal to 4. When I graph this, I can put any scale I prefer. I will put 4 here. If x is less than 4, x can be anything to the left. However, x can also be equal to 4, and that means I need a solid circle on my 4. Problem 8. Negative 2x plus 9 is greater than negative 11. I'm going to add 2x to both sides. That's going to give me 9 is greater than 2x minus 11. Now I add 11 to both sides. That's going to give me 20 is greater than 2x. Divide both sides by 2. So 10 is greater than x, or, to say it another way, x is less than 10. Remember, we reverse the inequality sign 3 times. Multiplying times negative 1, dividing by negative 1, or rewriting the expression and reversing the inequality. In order to graph x is less than 10, first I decide where I want 10 to be. I think 10 can be right here. X is less than 10 means everywhere to the left of x, to the left of 10, can be shaded in. Can I include 10? I cannot. Strictly less than 10 means x can be so close to 10 but it can never touch it, so I use the open circle. And finally, problem 9, x minus 6. Let's see how to do this. Here we go. X minus 6 is less than 2x plus 5. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. X minus x is 0. That gives me negative 6 is less than 2x minus x is 1x plus 5. Negative 6 is less than x plus 5. I can now subtract 5 from each side. Minus 6 minus 5 is negative 11 is less than x, or x is greater than negative 11. If x is greater than negative 11, x greater than negative 11, then negative 11 can be here. It can be anywhere on this line, but I'm choosing to put it here. Can x be equal to negative 11? It cannot, so I need an open circle. And if x can be bigger than negative 11, I shade everything to the right. Good.